Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Cedar Adirondack chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Outdoor Interiors CD3111 Eucalyptus Adirondack Chair and Built-in Ottoman. If you are looking for the nice Adirondack chair for the placing at the garden, pool and more, you come into the right place. This is an outdoor interiors chair which smartly constructed the high-quality chair from hardwood. What makes it different from the rest is the fact that it only uses the dense and durable hardwood only. For ensuring the user's comfort, this chair is built in with an ottoman too. What's more, you can maintain the quality of the chair by using the oil. Don't worry, this furniture will look great no matter where you place it. Moving on at number 4, we have the Shine Company Inc. 4611N Westport Adirondack Chair, Natural. The next product that deserves to be on your deck and backyard is the one from Shine Company brand. This high-quality product is nicely designed from the durable wood. The first great feature of it is it can withstand the moisture and harsh weather well. Unlike other wooden furniture that can be damaged by insects, this product fights insects very well. For your information, it is available in 2 options, natural and paint. Above all that, the maximum weight that the chair can support is 250 pounds. At number 3, we have the Best Choice Products Folding Wood Adirondack Chair Accent Furniture for Yard, Patio, Garden with Natural Finish, Brown. Another worthy product you should invest in is one of Best Choice Products. This is a foldable Adirondack chair that follows classic design. You can consider choosing this product if you wish to get another nice piece of furniture that goes well with the classic furniture in your hours. More than this, you can place it anywhere both indoors and outdoors. The material used for constructing this product is great for withstanding harsh uses. You can enjoy using it for years as well since it is built with the natural hardwood. On top of that, it aims to provide superb comfort for the user, so the seat and backrest are designed to be wide. At number 2, we have the Lifetime Faux Wood Adirondack Chair, Brown 60064. This is the showtime of the next best product. It is known as the Lifetime Adirondack Chair, and it comes in a beautiful brown color. If you take a look at it, both the style and color of it follow the classic design. You will also have peace of mind if you buy this product too. All the materials used are high in quality. It has been tested and proved to be crack-free even when you use it in the outdoor area. What's more, it is guaranteed to be the right option for outdoor uses. Don't worry, this chair will never crack, chip or peel even when you use it for many years. For your information, it also requires some assembly. However, you can do it with ease. Last but not least, you will never need to worry about maintaining the chair too. And finally at number 1, we have the Teal Island Designs Fletcher Dark Wood Outdoor Reclining Adirondack Chair. Up next, this is an awesome Adirondack chair from the famous brand, Teal Island Designs. This product is smartly designed to have many different positions. Hence, you can choose any positions you like with ease. For superior performance, the material used is thoroughly chosen. Please be informed that this chair is made from natural acacia wood for ensuring the long-lasting quality. More than this, the hardware steel is also attached to make the chair more sturdy too. Don't worry, you can use it outdoors without worrying about rust as well. Last but not least, feel free to make adjustments on the angle if you need to. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.